Today we are going to look at the angle of elevation and depression. See here, this is a figure one. This figure one here now, figure one. This is a building. This is the where the man sits and views someone in the building. You understand why the person in the building views this man here. So let's look at how to calculate angle of elevation and angle of depression. This is the angle of elevation. From here, this is the eye, the person's eye. You understand? This is the normal viewing. Here is the normal viewing. Here is the angle of what? Elevation. Here also, see where the person seated in his office. You understand? Here is the normal viewing. This is the angle of what? Depression. Are you getting me? So here in figure one shows a man viewing his daughter. Look at the man viewing his daughter in an office. So the daughter is an office at an angle of elevation, theta. Angle of elevation, look at it. Theta. And the daughter views her father at angle of elevation. This. So look at the daughter viewing the father at this is the angle of depression. At angle of depression. So here now, if here is there, if here is 30 degrees. So here too will also be 30 degrees. Which shows that the angle of elevation and angle of depression are alternate angles and they are equal. So angle of elevation is equal to what? Angle of depression. Reason, they are what? Alternate angles. They are alternate angles. So if here the angle of elevation here is 30, then the angle of depression here is what? 30. They are alternate angles. This angle and this angle are the same. So they are alternate what? Angles. And an angle of elevation and depression, we use it to calculate the height of what? An object. We use it to calculate the height of an object. It could be a building. Okay, we'll calculate the height of an object and the distance from the object to the person. With that, in the angle of elevation, we calculate the height of an object and the distance, and the angle of elevation and angle of what? Depression. Let's say we have something here like this. Here is the angle of elevation, and here is what? The height. The height is known as what? The opposite. And here is what? The distance. Distance is known as what? The adjacent. So using tan theta will give you tan, which is 1, will give you opposite over what? Adjacent. So that is what we calculate. The opposite of adjacent. We can get the tan theta, or we can get the opposite. If opposite is not, the height is not given and the distance is given, you can calculate the height. If the height is given and the distance is not given, you can calculate the distance. So in our next class, we are going to look at how to do some calculations in angle of elevation and angle of what? Depression. Bye bye.